Beautiful. Alright, now we're coming up into Laguna Beach. There you go, Laguna Beach city limit. I'll do the same thing here. I'll go around the coastline. There's a similar kind of view to what we just had there at Corona del Mar, but obviously in Laguna. I don't know the name of all these beaches down here, but I do know my girls do. This is Crescent Bay, so I can read a sign. I'm hoping that's not parked. There's Laguna Beach Lawn Bowling Club. I think this is the only one I've seen. Lawn bowling wise. What a location to go and play bowls. Yeah, have some of that. So we're now north of Laguna Beach, and the Laguna's shaped like a half moon beach. It's one of the, I would say, prettiest beaches, maybe the best way of saying it. Certainly one of the nicest little beach communities. If you know, it's not for the young crowd. Although it doesn't matter, I mean, but it's more age appropriate, I say. Very nice, and lots of arts and nice restaurants. And this place here is called Las Brisas, and Las Brisas is a great place for a Sunday brunch, which means it should be busy right now because of the view, and that's the view of Laguna Beach down there. Oop, I better pay attention. So there you go, Las Brisas. Great place for brunch or any time if you want to enjoy the view. But it's very popular on Sundays, Sunday lunchtime. And across the street is Earth Cafe. Now we're coming down into Laguna. The beach is off, obviously, over there on my right. So there's Laguna Beach. Actually, pretty good view there. I've got a Bentley in front of me. I don't really want to sit in this traffic. I could do a little tour of Newport Beach. I don't know if it'll just be a riding tour. I'm not going to stop. Let me just see. So this is Laguna Beach. I think the challenge I'm going to have here is I can't go back up the street. I'll have to turn around. This is, I'd say this is kind of the main drag coming off the beach. The beach being on the left hand side if you go to the end of this road, and they've actually closed it down now. So when during COVID, that used to, well, it still is all shut down with outside seating. It's a pretty good little area. Okay, I'm gonna head out of here. There's a octopus on the phone box. Yeah, Laguna Beach. I didn't go around all of it, just a couple of streets. I'm going to head out through the canyon, which on my way back home. So as we head out, you'll see kind of what's it called, the pageant of the masters. It's kind of the art exhibition stuff, and then some new things, new little bars and restaurants and breweries opening up on the right. And then, so in front of me now, right in front of me as we hit this road, on the left hand side, you'll see the place where they have the pageant of the Masters festival over there. Laguna Playhouse, and then Festival of the Arts over there on my left. And then further up here, there's a area where they have something called the Sawdust Festival. And within this neighborhood now on the right, There's a lot of little warehouses all turned into the brewery places, brewery and restaurants. Laguna Beach Beer Company, and there you can see the Sawdust Festival, another art festival. That's actually a pretty fun thing to go to, live bands. Yeah, so now we head out, and there'll be traffic going out this way. What time is it? 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Sunday. Yeah, there'll be traffic. So this is really the only way in and out of Laguna Beach unless you come up and down the coast. It's one road in and one road out basically, unless you go north or south once you hit Laguna, and there's a few other ways to come in. This is the Laguna Canyon Road that connects you up with pretty much the junction of the 5 and the 405 freeway, and then as you cross those you end up on the toll road to head out over the hill. Traffic here coming into the canyon. This is the like I said, the only way in and out, so there are other ways if you go up and down the coast. You can see the traffic mounting up to get to Laguna Beach for the afternoon. It's always like this, but it goes pretty quick. You know, it's just stop, start, and it starts to thin out again.